Did you know some prefab barndominium homes cost less than many new pickup trucks in 2026? It may sound surprising, but today we are going to see 7 amazing prefab barndominium homes that can be bought for under $100,000. Some have large garages, some have beautiful wraparound porches, and some even offer enough room for a big family. While many traditional homes in the United States now cost more than $430,000, these homes show that there are still affordable choices. But there is one important thing that many people never explain about these prices, and it could save you thousands of dollars before you decide to buy. So stay with us until the end, because home number 1 may surprise you, but the final home could completely change the way you think about building your next house. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for more affordable barndominiums, prefab homes, and smart home ideas. Also, visit cryptogolorenews.live and try our daily crypto quiz challenge. Now, let's explore 7 prefab barndominium homes you can buy for under $100,000 and see which one is the best deal. Before you shop, before looking at the first home, there is one very important thing every buyer should know. Most barndominiums priced under $100,000 only include the steel building kit or the outside shell. The price usually does not include the land, concrete slab, plumbing, electrical work, insulation, drywall, flooring, kitchen cabinets, paint, or building permits. In many parts of the United States during 2026, these extra costs can add another $120,000 to $250,000, depending on the state, labor costs, and home size. Even after paying these extra costs, many families still spend much less than buying a brand new traditional house. Most prefab barndominiums can also be finished in about 8 to 12 months, while many normal homes may take much longer. Learning these facts before buying can help you plan your money wisely and avoid expensive surprises later. 1. Blue Magnolia. The first home on our list is the beautiful Blue Magnolia, and it gives buyers a lot of space for a very good price. The steel building kit starts at around $72,100 and offers nearly 2,990 square feet of living space. Inside, the design includes 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a large 3-car garage with plenty of storage space. The bright blue metal outside, large glass windows, and wide wraparound porch give the home a warm country style with a modern look. Inside, the living room, dining room, and kitchen are connected in one large open space, where the whole family can spend time together. The main bedroom is downstairs for extra privacy, while 2 more bedrooms, a loft, and a home office are upstairs. Whether you want a full-time family home, a weekend house, or a vacation rental, this design offers great value without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. Quick break. Before we look at the next amazing home, here is something fun for you. Every day, you can try the Daily Crypto Quiz Challenge at cryptogolorenews.live/quizzes. It only takes about 2 to 5 minutes to finish each quiz, and it is a simple way to learn new facts while testing your knowledge every day. Many new questions are added regularly, making each visit different from the last one. Now, let's move on because the next barndominium gives you even more space for almost the same price. 2. Double D. Next comes the Double D, a home made for large families who need plenty of extra room. The steel kit starts at around $71,000, while the full design offers almost 3,720 square feet of living space. This large floor plan includes 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a huge family room, a spacious kitchen, a loft, and a large shop that can easily hold at least 3 vehicles. One of its best features is the wide wraparound porch that gives the family more outdoor living space for relaxing, eating together, or enjoying warm evenings. The modern black metal outside gives the home a bold and stylish look that many buyers in 2026 now prefer. For families who want both comfort and plenty of space, this design is one of the best values under $100,000. 3. Liberty. Now we come to the Liberty, a smart design for people who want everything on one floor. The steel building kit costs about $77,881 and provides nearly 4,000 square feet of living space. Inside, the home offers 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, making it a great choice for large families. One of the best parts of this design is the separate children's area. 4 bedrooms and a playroom are placed together on one side of the home, while the main bedroom is located on the opposite side for extra peace and privacy. The large open living room connects smoothly with the dining area and kitchen, creating one big family space where everyone can enjoy meals, games, and special moments together. This simple layout makes daily life easier while giving every family member their own comfortable space. 4. In-laws. Outlaws. The last home on today's list is the In-Laws Outlaws, one of the biggest prefab barndominiums available for under $100,000. The steel building kit starts at around $84,999 and offers almost 4,300 square feet of living space. The design includes 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a large 3-car garage with extra room for storage and tools. Its biggest feature is the separate living wing, which gives parents, grandparents, adult children, or long-term guests their own private space, while still staying close to the rest of the family. The main part of the home includes a large open kitchen, dining room, and family room, where everyone can gather together every day. As home prices continue to increase across the United States in 2026, more families are choosing designs like this because they provide more space, better comfort, and a simple way to save money by living together. 5. Compact choice. Sometimes a smaller home can be the smartest choice. The compact choice is made for people who want a simple home without spending too much money. The steel building kit starts at around $33,988 and offers about 1,131 square feet of living space. Inside, you get 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Even though the home is smaller than the others, every room is planned carefully to use the space in the best way. The kitchen, dining room, and living room are joined together, making the inside feel much bigger than it really is. A large screened porch gives the family extra space to sit outside, enjoy fresh air, and stay away from insects. Quick pause. Before we look at the final 2 homes, take a short break for something fun. If you enjoy learning new things every day, visit the Daily Crypto Quiz Challenge at cryptogolarenews.live/quizzes. Each quiz takes only about 2 to 5 minutes, and new questions are added regularly. It is a simple way to test your knowledge and learn something different every day. Now, let's continue, because the next home is one of the lowest priced barndominiums on today's list. 6. Modern budget build. Now it is time to look at one of the best low-cost homes available in 2026. The modern budget build has a clean and stylish design that reminds many people of modern shipping container homes. The steel building kit starts at only about $24,665, making it one of the lowest-priced choices in this collection. The home offers around 1,200 square feet, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Large windows bring plenty of natural light into every room, making the inside feel bright and open throughout the day. The open floor plan joins the main living areas together, so the home feels larger than its actual size. Buyers can also add a garage, workshop, or carport later if they need more storage space. 7. Anthem. The final home on today's list is the Anthem, a design that brings together country beauty and modern comfort. The steel building kit starts at around $69,900 and includes nearly 2,700 square feet of living space. The floor plan offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a large loft, and a spacious 3-car garage. A wide covered front porch creates a warm welcome for family members and visitors. Inside, the open kitchen, dining room, and living room make it easy for everyone to spend time together during meals, holidays, and family events. Upstairs, 2 more bedrooms, and the loft provide extra space for children, guests, a study room, or a home office. The outside design combines strong metal siding with classic country style, giving the home a beautiful look that many buyers across the United States continue to love in 2026. Easy financing. Many people believe they must save all the money before building a barndominium, but that is not always the case. In 2026, many banks and home lenders across the United States offer loans for prefab barndominiums and steel frame homes. Some loan programs help pay for both the building work and the long-term home loan after construction is finished. Before choosing a loan, compare interest rates, loan periods, down payment amounts, and building rules from several lenders. It is also a good idea to speak with builders who have already completed many barndominium projects. Their experience can help you avoid mistakes, save money, and finish the project more smoothly. Best value. After looking at all 7 homes, it is clear that every design offers something special. The Blue Magnolia gives families a modern layout with a beautiful wraparound porch. The Double D provides huge living space for large families who need extra rooms. The Liberty keeps everything on one floor, making daily life simple and comfortable. The In-Laws Outlaws is an excellent choice for families living together across different generations. The compact choice shows that a smaller home can still feel spacious and welcoming. The Modern Budget Build offers one of the lowest starting prices while keeping a fresh modern style. The Anthem brings together country charm, modern comfort, and practical family living. No single home is perfect for everyone, because every family has different needs, different budgets, and different plans for the future. Finding an affordable home may seem difficult today, but these prefab barndominium designs prove that smart planning can open many new possibilities. While the final cost will always depend on land, labor, permits, and finishing materials, starting with a steel kit under $100,000 can make homeownership much more achievable than buying many traditional houses. Before making any decision, compare builders, study the full costs, and choose the design that works best for your family and your budget. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos about affordable homes, prefab houses, and smart real estate ideas. And don't forget to check out the daily crypto quiz challenge at https://cryptogolornews.live/quizzes/. It is a fun way to learn something new every day while testing your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.